Alright, let's get this straight. Did you know that the humble potato, that starchy superstar of French fries and mashed potatoes, has a secret family history with tomatoes? Yeah, you heard me right. According to a wild new study, potatoes and tomatoes aren't just distant cousins. They're the product of some serious ancient interbreeding. Let's break it down. Researchers have just uncovered compelling evidence, a fascinating discovery that rewrites what we thought we knew about plant evolution. The evidence suggests that thousands of years ago, in a time long before recorded history, wild plants, the very ancestors that would eventually give rise to our modern potatoes and tomatoes, engaged in a bit of genetic mingling, actually swapping genes. Think of it as a prehistoric plant matchmaking event, a botanical blind date with lasting consequences. So your favorite golden fries, that crispy, salty indulgence? They might just owe their very existence to a tomato ancestor, a distant relative from way back in the day. Here's how scientists were able to piece together this incredible story and figured it all out. A team of international researchers, driven by curiosity and armed with advanced technology, used cutting-edge genetic analysis, meticulously comparing DNA from dozens of different potato and tomato varieties, scrutinizing their genetic code. Turns out both plants share a unique chunk of DNA, a genetic signature that had somehow slipped between species a long time ago, probably in the wilds of South America, where these plants first emerged. We're talking about ancient plant hybridization, a far more complex process than just simple cross-pollination. This is like finding out your family tree suddenly branches into a whole different species. It's a botanical bombshell. But what does all of this really mean for us today, in our modern world? What are the practical implications of this ancient botanical connection? Well, for starters, plant breeders might be able to use these fascinating findings to create even better, stronger, and more resilient crops than ever before. Imagine potatoes that can withstand even the most severe drought conditions, or tomatoes that are naturally able to resist disease without the need for harmful pesticides. All of this is potentially achievable, all thanks to understanding this ancient hookup and the secrets it holds. It's a powerful reminder that the food we eat and often take for granted has a way more complicated and interconnected backstory than we ever imagined. Here's my take. This kind of discovery is a real game changer, offering huge potential benefits for the future of agriculture and food science. If these seemingly disparate plants could share genes thousands of years ago, maybe we can use that very knowledge to help solve pressing food security problems today. It also makes you wonder, how many other seemingly ordinary foods have wild, hidden family secrets just waiting to be discovered, secrets that could revolutionize our understanding of the plant kingdom? So, what do you think about potatoes potentially being part tomato? It's quite a thought, isn't it? Does this revelation change how you perceive your next bag of chips, perhaps making you question everything? Or even that delicious pizza slice loaded generously with both? The possibilities are endless. I really want to know your thoughts. Drop a comment down below and let's get this fascinating debate started right away. If you found this story even remotely surprising or thought-provoking, be sure to hit the like button, and please share your valuable opinion and insights in the comments section. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more weird and wonderful news stories just like this one. Thanks so much for watching New News, where there's always something incredibly new and exciting to discover and learn about.